Creating Your Own DAO, a step-by-step guide. Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into creating your own DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization. First, choose the right blockchain platform for your DAO. Ethereum is popular, but Binance Smart Chain and Polkadot are options too. Consider scalability, gas fees, and community support. Next, develop your DAO's smart contract. This code defines your organization's rules and operations. You can write it from scratch or use templates and libraries. Then, issue governance tokens. These are the keys to your DAO, granting voting power to members. They're used to make decisions within the organization and can also be used for staking, liquidity provision, or rewards. Now set up a voting system. Members submit proposals and the community votes on them. This is where the decentralized part comes in. It's all about consensus. The voting process is transparent and recorded on the blockchain. And there you have it. You've just created your own DAO. It's a powerful tool for decentralized decision-making. Thank you for joining us today. Now go out there and build something amazing with your new DAO.